Can the price of Dogecoin, Doge, maintain its value at $0.065 with a decline in the market? In summary, in spite of the recent decline in the memecoin markets, there has been a strong defense of the $0.065 support level by the Dogecoin, Doge, bulls. The sale of Dogecoin by miners ceased when the price of Doge fell below the $0.075 threshold, which occurred on or around August 8. The present fall in the price of Doge appears to be primarily influenced by speculators and industry-wide challenges, as indicated by the analysis of recent transaction statistics. This correction does not seem to be a result of any significant decline in network activity. The supporters of Dogecoin, Doge, have vigorously protected the support level of $0.065. Amidst a decline in the memecoin markets observed throughout this week. Following a series of profitable weeks, recent on-chain data indicates that miners of Dogecoin are already considering the possibility of another increase in price. The current reserves of Dogecoin miners amount to 4.37 billion coins, which grants them control over around 3.1% of the total Doge in circulation. The examination of on-chain data investigates the potential influence of recent accumulation patterns on the future pricing of Doge in the upcoming weeks. The miners of Dogecoin have resumed the process of accumulating the cryptocurrency. The value of Dogecoin had a significant increase, reaching its highest point in a span of 3 months, specifically around July 25, with a price of $0.082. According to on-chain data, a significant number of Dogecoin miners capitalized on the elevated pricing to generate money. Nevertheless, following a decline in memecoin prices below the significant support level of 7 cents, they have commenced a transition back into accumulating mode over the current week. The graphic provided by Into the Block demonstrates that miners gradually reduced their intense selling activity following the decline of Doge prices below $0.075 on August 8. During the period from August 8 to August 17, an additional 80 million coins were acquired, which had an estimated value of around $5.3 million. The miners' reserves dataset monitors the dynamic fluctuations in the financial holdings of acknowledged miners and mining pools in real time. As the mining activity intensifies, miners amass a greater number of block rewards, likely in anticipation of a further surge in prices. At now, the miners possess a stake of approximately 3% in the overall circulation supply of Doge. Therefore, it is not unexpected that their recent divestment shown a strong correlation with the ongoing price decline of Doge. The reduction in block rewards now being directed towards exchanges may potentially lead to a decrease in market supply, hence potentially fueling another rally for Doge. The ongoing retracement is being driven by industry headwinds. Since August 8, there has been a significant decline of 5% in the worldwide cryptocurrency market. The current decline in Doge pricing can be attributed to the adverse effects of industry-wide challenges. The provided figure illustrates a decline of almost 10% in the price of Doge between August 6 and August 17. However, it also indicates a notable increase in Dogecoin transaction activity, which rose from 92,960 daily transactions to 578,860 within the same timeframe. This signifies a multiplication of transactional activity by a factor of 6. Given the absence of a substantial decline in transactional activity, Dogecoin has the potential to swiftly embark on another price climb following the cessation of the adverse sentiment prevailing in the industry. In brief, the increase in miners' accumulation and transactional activity serves as significant on-chain indications that have the potential to drive the price of Doge in the upcoming weeks. The current analysis suggests that the price of Doge is expected to see a period of consolidation above the 6 cents mark. Based on the aforementioned on-chain statistics, it can be inferred that the price of Doge is expected to stabilize in the vicinity of 6 cents. Amidst prevailing negative market conditions across the industry, the validity of this concept is further supported by the in/out of money around price, IMAP, data, which provides insights into the distribution of purchase prices among current holders. According to the provided data, it can be observed that a total of 44,000 addresses have engaged in the purchase of about 1.18 billion Doge coins, with an average acquisition price of $0.065 per coin. If the miners continue to stockpile and transaction activity maintains at a high level, it is possible that Doge may receive substantial support inside that particular range. Nevertheless, in the event that the aforementioned support level fails to sustain, it is plausible that the bullish investors may establish a substantial buy wall at the price point of $0.059. On the other hand, the miners with an optimistic outlook may perhaps lead a subsequent surge towards a value of 8 cents. However, under such circumstances, it is plausible that the 206,950 addresses, which together purchased 24.45 billion Doge at an average price of $0.075, may potentially instigate a market correction. Nevertheless, in the event that the prevailing challenges faced by the industry subside, there is a possibility that the price of Doge may overcome the barrier and ascend towards the $0.080 mark once more. The 11% drop in Bitcoin's price is a prediction. Amid changes in the market and major events, Bitcoin, which is currently worth $26.23 and is selling on the cryptocurrency market, has dropped by nearly 11% in the last week. This happened in a market that is very unstable. This drop is happening against the background of important events and changes that are still changing the crypto world. In the middle of these changes, people like Trump, who warns of possible effects on the US currency system, and interesting moves like SpaceX's sale of Bitcoin bought in 2021 and 2022 for $373 million have drawn more attention to the market. Also, changes in Tether's backing for certain cryptocurrencies show how complicated the factors are that affect the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This Bitcoin price forecast looks at the recent 11% drop in BTC and the market factors and important events that are affecting its path. Trump raises concerns about the US losing control of the global currency system. BTC/USD is going down today, which is similar to what former President Donald Trump said about the United States standing in the world. In a recent interview, Trump talked about how the US dollar is losing its power on the world market. He was worried about the decline of the country under the present government and warned that other countries are moving away from the dollar. Trump said that the Chinese yuan could possibly replace the dollar.